Hey guys, welcome to the next vlog. So you know this guy, we had done a lot of bike trips with him. So now today we are going for one more short bike ride. So stay tuned and watch. There's a surprise. We are gonna for somewhere near like just 30 minutes from Bangalore. Let's see which place is this.
Are you looking for a quick escape from Bangalore without spending hours on the road? Then Manchanabele Dam might be a perfect weekend getaway for you. This is located just around 40 kilometers from Bangalore, and this hidden gem offers stunning views of calm waters surrounded by lush green hills, making it a favorite spot for nature lovers and photographers. This dam is built across the Arkavati River and it is called as Manchanabele Dam. It is known for its peaceful atmosphere and breathtaking sunrise and sunset views. If you are an adventure enthusiast, if you love the activities available nearby, including kayaking, ziplining, trekking, and even rappelling, several adventure camps operate around the dam, making it a great destination for friends, families, and corporate outings.
Hey guys, today we are in Manchanabele Dam. So this is like 30 kilometers from my place. We have done parking over here. So dam is like somewhere, over there. That's the dam. So let's see. We'll go inside and explore how this dam would look like. Stay tuned. Okay, now we are trying to explore. We are probably going a little closer to the dam. This guy is the one who has planned that there is a location like this. So let's see if this location is not worth the hype. We are not going to leave this guy. Okay. You can see people are doing a lot of bath, swim. Didn't knew it's such closer to our place in Bangalore. Guys, we are going to the sunset point. Like you have to do a little bit of hiking over here. Probably like 200 to 300 meters. The views are like mesmerizing. So take a look at the sunset is almost hidden in the clouds, but we are still trying our level best. This guy has all the information. So he's the one who has all the blueprint. So we're gonna try some drone shot there. Let's see how the experience. Wow. Finally, we made it to the top.